You're in the perfect place in case you may have come trying to find free downloadable Universal Ranger Indicator. Now, you possibly can get Universal Ranger Indicator MQ4 for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 without cost. Simply because it has been proven and also tested that this indicator satisfies best for MetaTraders, MT4 and MT4 versions. You're also guaranteed this works successfully in almost all editions of almost all MetaTrader. Universal Ranger Snapshot was included that shows the look of the indicator after it is used in your MetaTrader. If in case you are enticed together with the picture above and also find it useful for you, then don't wait to install it. There are even some other MetaTrader range indicators that you could choose. You can check other type of indicators by clicking on the range indicator category and know the most current updates available. Just click on the download link down below and also save the zip file in your PC. After setup, you can actually enjoy this superb Universal Ranger indicator such as those 433 people who already downloaded it now. In fact, downloads continue to boost, getting to more or less a total of 433 downloads. Thus, if you discover this indicator smart, please take time to rate it. After that, you can also hook our free forex indicators to your friends and share the fun. You will just click the share icon given. The rankings as well as the good opinions that you will give to our indicators will certainly allow us to get the consideration of some other online traders to check it. What does forex indicator mean? A forex indicator is a statistical tool that currency traders use to make judgments about the direction of a currency pair's price action. Forex indicators come in many types, including leading indicators, lagging indicators, confirming indicators and so on. Popular forex indicators include moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and average true range, ATR. A forex trader must choose the indicators that fit his or her trading strategy. Trend signals with Power Rangers is a simple trading system that generates trend following signals for trading. This strategy is suitable at any pairs. The signals are filtered by spin alert trend slope indicator plus a price action channel. Time frame 15 minutes or higher. Currency pairs, majors, minors, indices and shares. MetaTrader indicators. Power Rangers. Spin alert, 21, period. Price action channel, optional. Linear weighted moving average 5 period, high. Linear weighted moving average 5 period, low. Trading rules trend signals with Power Rangers. Buy. Power ranges buy arrow. Spin alert aqua color. When there are these two conditions, make a buy order. Example, if we have first the arrow of Power Rangers indicator for entry weight, the spin alert line is aqua color. For buy weight the price come back in the channel. This is optional. Place initial stop loss on the previous swing low. Profit targets depends by pairs and time frame. Ratio PT/stop loss equals 111. Sell. Power ranges sell arrow. Spin alert yellow color. When there are these two conditions, make a sell order. Example, if we have first the sell arrow of Power Rangers indicator for entry weight, the spin alert line is yellow color. For sell weight the price come back in the channel. This is optional. Profit targets depends by pairs and time frame. Ratio PT/stop loss equals 111. A lot of technical indicators are based on quite doubtful assumptions and unconfirmed patterns. One more typical drawback is absence of signals from indicators in form of absolute price values. This also concerns stop loss and take profit parameters. As the result, it is hard to determine the exact entry and exit points for the trade. This is very important both for the beginners and experienced traders. Developing Ranger, we were trying to solve this problem and to create extremely simple and at the same scientifically based indicator. Ranger is based on statistical analysis of the data and provides information about possible maximum/minimum values of the day, just right after the day has started, with certain probabilities, so-called synthetic support and resistance levels. For example, at 0 a.m. Euro's open price is 1.1350. Ranger will generate a number of price values which will indicate possible minimum/maximum of the day. It can be something like 1.1440, high of the day with probability 75%, and 1.1260, low of the day with probability 75%. Current version of the indicator can generate up to 3 high/low values with probabilities 70%, 95% and 99%. By